Welcome back to my final morning report analysis video on Wednesday 27th of March with me, which is market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's have a look at gold, which has picked up a little bit this morning. It was fluctuating around actually, the stronger dollar initially seeing gold just edging a little bit lower, but that dollar strength has unwound now and subsequently gold has ticked higher. Seems as though that the market continues to hold above this pivot line breakout at 1310. 1311 seemed to be a bit of a pivot line on the hourly chart. You can see here a little bit of resistance and then became supportive. 1312 was yesterday's low, and again 1312 coming back in today. So there is a feeling that corrections are increasingly being bought into. You've got this uptrend on the hourly chart. You've got the rising 144-hour moving average, which again is a basis of support. You've got momentum indicators which are positively biased to the extent that little corrections come back towards the sort of the mid to low 30s, then bought into on the hourly RSI, and they move above 70. MACD lines seem to bottom just under neutral, then go back higher again. So this is a suggestion that little corrections are a chance to buy, and you've got that uptrend in place that sort of suggests that as well. Now this resistance at 1324, which has strengthened following on from yesterday's negative candle, needs to be broken to sort of continue the run higher. But you do have this uptrend that's now supportive around 1310, which is again adds an importance to that level. So that pivot around 1310 is an important support that needs to be maintained to continue this run higher now, because if you start to sort of breach below 1310, you would then break the uptrend, and you'll start to see momentum indicators just rolling over. But daily momentum is positive, but still need to see that breakout above 1324 to continue that run. Then you've got 1327 to 1333, and then 1346.70. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.